Hello and welcome for this video tutorial for teachers at 1977. I would like to explain a couple of nice features that Zoom has for us. First of all, let's start with Zoom Scheduler. It's a nice add-on. Once you download it, it will pop here. And the cool feature is that once you go to a calendar, you click on it, add it, and then with just one click, you make it to a Zoom meeting. As you can see here, we've got password and everything because you need to go and hit this button to rearrange it and use your personal meeting ID. Alright, and now when it comes to Zoom itself, a couple of options. First of all, allowing participants in. So what I do here is I go to More and I play this enter and exit chime. That's a really nice feature which allows me to hear whenever somebody enters the waiting room. Another feature that I really want to tell you about is chat here. And you can of course chat to everyone or particular students. You can share files with them. But what I discovered in my classes is that they tend to chat among themselves. So here's what you can do to allow them not to chat at all, or only to you or everyone publicly. So you decide. Okay. When it comes to reaction, these are the reactions, but they also have some annotations. And let's say that you want to share the screen with them. And if they use this annotation option with this one, make sure that you disable the drawing for them. To do that, you need to start sharing something. Let's say this document. And in the More option, you either disable or you show who the funny guy is writing all over your thingy. Okay, so hit disable if you don't want them to do that. However, nice thing is that if you use something online, you can give mouse control to one of your students, which technically means that they can do something that you're displaying them. I've used that with my apps that I run for them. Let's stop share and let's go back to the share option. I guess you know that, but don't forget to hit this computer sound if you want to play it. Hit this one if you want to play videos for them, or if you want just share sound only, of course, that would be the option. Don't forget that you can also share with those clouds here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.